What's up, everybody? Danimal here with another video. I just hit the gym in the morning, so I'm extremely pumped up, ready for the day. Let's get things started. Today we're going to be going to Endless Autosalon. Antonio, you know him from previous vlogs. We're going to be installing a new decal that he just bought. Wall window strip, I think that's what he got. And so yeah, let's get things going. We're gonna meet up with him at Endless Autosalon. We're gonna film it. It's gonna be a good day. I don't have to work today, so that's what's up. Alright guys, so we're currently waiting for Antonio. We're meeting here in Menifee off Newport Road, and then we're going to be headed over to Joey's real quick. This is the meetup spot that he told me to meet him at, so yeah. Alright guys, I already smell the rice from here. Not only that, but I can hear his car. He should be here within like the next, I'd say, minute or two. You can hear that shit a mile away. Rice as fuck. Antonio, when you see this, I'm calling you a ricer, bro. And you know it. You fucking know it. Alright guys, so I spoke too soon. It wasn't Antonio. It's already been like 2 to 3 minutes. So yeah, it wasn't Antonio. So I hope when he sees this, he doesn't get mad. But it's okay. I was just kidding about the whole ricer thing. Because I'm a ricer. I know it. But yeah. He should be here. What the fuck is that shit, man? Finally, the old grandma driving slow ass gets here. About to talk shit to him right now so you guys can hear it. Mad as fuck. Had me here chilling forever. Nice timing, grandma.
What's up, dude?
Nice timing.
I like how clean your car is, dude.
It's dirty, huh? Yeah, I know. I've been neglecting her, as you can tell.
I was neglecting mine for a little bit too, but I can get it.
So we just pulled up to Endless Autosalon, and look what is here already. Freaking legit. Come on, grandma.
You gained a few extra pounds.
That's why you're walking so slow.
Oh yeah.
Did you see my fat meal I made this morning on Instagram? Dude, freaking legit. Let me get my camera right now and take some pictures. Legit.
If I'm trying to surprise something.
Hey, pumpkin.
What's up, Salchicha Junior?
Hey, pumpkin.
What you doing? Show my dad.
No, what the fuck?
Come here. Come here, big boy. Come here. Oh, Daniel. Hey, for the vlog.
For the vlog.
No.
It was for the vlog. Hey, wait. What's up? What is that? Bananas?
In the DM, man. It goes down in the DM. Is it connected?
Yeah.
Come on, Daniel. Where's the support, brother?
The Holy Grail. JDM as fuck.
Daniel.
What?
Come over here and like. Have you ever got a standing O before?
A what?
Standing O.
A what?
You know, like standing ovation.
No?
Well, it sounded like you were having a standing orgasm over there.
Thank you, I did.
I gotta get used to doing the side head and stuff here.
Joe, what are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
I have no clue.
So you're just putting shit on shit?
Yeah, you know, pretend like you know what you're doing.
What always works best for me.
Yeah, right.
Right. Somebody comment down below if I should turn this heat on and burn Joe's head off.
Can I? Yeah.
Alright, bro.
Thank you.
Just took some pictures of this GTR. Fucking sick. Hey. Got some overnight parts from Japan right here. Antonio, what would you do to have this car in your driveway?
What wouldn't I do is the big question.
Whose ass would you kiss?
I do a lot more than that.
Same. What are you doing, Joe?
Bitch part.
This sexy ass bitch. This right hand dry bitch. Imported from Japan, bitch. Alright guys, so Antonio just got his fresh banner installed, so we're gonna go take some pictures in the front because there's too much light right here. That asshole. He was just looking at my wheels right now.
You shouldn't have traded his wheels.
Who's that?
Josh.
The guy from earlier that he was talking to.
Why'd you tell him, Crystal? So Josh.
So like that, huh? As far as the LLC is concerned,
What are you doing?
Doing a paper thing?
Huh?
Changing the
30 p.m. So 5 minutes. Oh dear. Is there? Oh. Should I send some edible arrangements?
So this is today's end of the vlog. I just fucked that up. And I'll see you guys next time. I'm extremely sick.
Fans don't make you, fans don't take.